Hey guys, this is Josh Tech here, and for today's video, guys, is we have here another product from Tozo. This is the Tozo S7 Smartwatch. Let's go. Hey guys, this is Josh here. Welcome back to our channel. And yes, guys, we have here another product from Tozo. This is their Tozo Smartwatch S7. And if you're interested, guys, you can also check in the link in the description box about this product. Okay, or you can go to www.tuzostore.com. Now at the back, guys, so we have here health monitoring, 1.85-inch AMOLED screen, 100 sports modes, and water resistant. All right, so without further ado, let's open this one, guys. So we have here the on how to connect your strap, and we have here the user manual. It's in here, and also the cable here. It's in here also, and we also have here the strap. Okay, I'm gonna take this one out. So it is the strap, guys, and also it looks really nice. Okay, and of course the smartwatch itself. So let's take this one out. Okay, and we have here, guys, on the sides we have either the crown and also the charging port, or the charging pins are here. So let's take this, turn it on. Okay. So guys, here is our Tuzo S7 smartwatch, and we have here the different features. You have activity, exercise records. We also have here home page. What else? Uh, Heart rate, blood oxygen, stress, sleep, breathe, music, weather, call. I have alarm, reminders, timer, stopwatch, word clock, watch face, flashlight, and in the settings, we also have brightness, sound vibration, wake gesture, and many more. So for you to connect this one to your smartphone, guys, you just have to scan the QR code and you're good to go. Actually, I actually just used this one, guys, for a couple of weeks already, and all I can say is that this device is really great, especially first with the battery. It's really long lasting. You can use this one for about a week without having to charge, and also when it comes to its display, I really like because of its AMOLED display. It's really outside, it is also still visible. Yes, and when it comes to the record of the steps, because I've also been trying to lose weight, so I actually use the exercise, and it really counts the step accurately. So especially like when I go and I want to achieve like 10,000 steps, and this is really also accurate, guys. And also the blood oxygen level also really nice. And also when you want to do deep breathing, you can also use this one, and it's really a perfect companion if you want to do or to have a healthy lifestyle. And also good, yeah, when it comes to the quality, yeah, with the strap, and it's really easy to wear. Just have to, like that, attach this one, and if you want to remove, just press this kind of button here. So all I can say, your Tuza S7 smartwatch is a really good choice if you want to have a reliable watch that is also good for your health. So guys, if you have any questions, and or what are your thoughts about our Tuzo S7 smartwatch, just comment down below. And if you like this video, guys, kindly click the thumbs up and also consider subscribing to our channel. Once again, this is Josh, and I will see you guys in our next video.